My name is Everett Gibson. I own and operate Gibson Farm. It's near Beausejour, Manitoba. I've been here 3 days with the kids. They're great groups of kids. They're learning all about animal welfare and how Manitoba farmers take care of the animals and the land. And it's just been really rewarding to see the kids absorb so much good information.
Hi, my name is Miss Gibson. I teach grade 4 and 5 at Hampstead School. We got the great opportunity to come to this farm today, and the kids have been loving it. It goes along with our curriculum really well, and the stations are really enriching and just a great experience for the kids to be here.
So AAA 2023, we focused on animals. We had 10 different commodities support our wonderful event. Over the course of 3 days, we welcomed over 750 students from across the province. We had 30 plus different school classrooms join us as well. Over 30 volunteers supported us as class hosts, welcoming the students and walking them through all 10 stations and talking also about their own career and how they contribute to agriculture, which I think is incredibly beneficial for students to understand what it's like to live their everyday life in the agriculture industry. Students were incredibly enthusiastic as they came off of the bus. A number of them thought the egg layer building was pretty cool, seeing all those chickens behind the window. I asked another student, and it was the canola station. They thought crushing the canola was very exciting.